Hello everyone. This is a rusted surface and an edge burr on mild steel component. Get ready to grind with our Valgro tabletop manual deburring machine. It has a balance arm and a planetary disc that is easily attached to the planetary holder. When the planetary disc rotates and touches the component, it works on stainless steel, mild steel, copper, brass, aluminium, and more to easily remove the rusted surface. Now, rust surface has been removed but the burr is still on the edge surface. Let's change the disc to the edge breaker brush. It removes the burr from the edge surface without any damage to the component. Get a quote now. Contact us at sales@valgroindia.com and connect on 90990799325. See you in the next video.